Have you ever imagined growing beautiful indoor plants without a single handful of soil? What if I told you that some of the world's most popular houseplants can thrive in nothing more than a simple glass of water? No messy pots, no expensive potting mix, and no complicated gardening skills required. Even if you've never grown a plant before, today's video will show you 5 incredible indoor plants that can stay healthy, develop strong roots, and brighten your home using only clean water. The best part? These plants don't just look stunning in transparent glass containers. They're also incredibly easy to maintain and can even help improve your indoor air quality. Whether you're decorating your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or office desk, these water-growing plants create a modern, elegant look that instantly catches everyone's attention. But here's the exciting part. Not every houseplant can survive in water for long periods. Choosing the wrong one could leave you with yellow leaves, rotting stems, and disappointment. That's why today we're counting down the top 5 indoor plants that actually love growing in water. We'll also share the simple secrets to keeping them healthy, growing faster, and looking absolutely amazing all year long. Make sure you stay until the very end because our final plant is one of the most beautiful flowering houseplants that can adapt surprisingly well to life in water. If you love easy plant care, budget-friendly gardening, and beautiful home decor ideas, you're going to love this list. Let's get started with number 1. Number 1. Golden Pothos. Golden Pothos is widely considered the easiest indoor plant to grow in a glass of water, making it the perfect choice for beginners. Its beautiful heart-shaped green leaves decorated with golden variegation create a lush, tropical appearance that instantly brightens any room. To grow golden pothos in water, simply cut a healthy vine just below a leaf node using clean scissors. Remove the lower leaves so they won't sit underwater, then place the cutting into a clean glass filled with fresh water. Make sure the node stays submerged because that's where new roots will develop. Within 2 to 4 weeks, you'll begin to see healthy white roots emerging. Place your glass near a bright window with indirect sunlight, avoiding harsh afternoon sun that can scorch the leaves. Change the water every 7 to 10 days to keep it fresh and oxygen-rich, and rinse the roots whenever you replace the water to prevent algae buildup. For long-term growth, add a few drops of liquid houseplant fertilizer once a month to provide essential nutrients. Golden Pothos is famous for its fast-growing vines, making it ideal for hanging displays, bookshelves, office desks, or kitchen counters. As the vines become longer, you can trim them and place the cuttings into new glasses, creating even more beautiful plants completely free. With very little effort, one small cutting can eventually become an impressive collection of cascading greenery that transforms your home into a vibrant indoor jungle. That's exactly why Golden Pothos earns the number 1 spot on our list of indoor plants that thrive in a glass of water. Number 2. Lucky Bamboo. Lucky Bamboo is one of the most iconic indoor plants that can live and thrive in nothing but water for years. Despite its name, it isn't actually a true bamboo. It belongs to the Dracaena family and has become popular around the world because of its elegant appearance and reputation for bringing luck, prosperity, and positive energy. Growing Lucky Bamboo in a glass container is incredibly simple. Place the stalks in a clear glass vase and add enough clean water to completely cover the roots while keeping the green stems above the water line. Many people like to add colorful pebbles or decorative stones to keep the stalks upright while creating a beautiful display. One important secret to keeping Lucky Bamboo healthy is using filtered, distilled, or rainwater whenever possible, because chlorine and fluoride found in tap water can cause the leaf tips to turn brown. Replace the water every week and gently rinse both the roots and the glass container to prevent algae from forming. Place your Lucky Bamboo in bright indirect sunlight because direct sunlight can burn the leaves. Although it grows slowly, it remains attractive all year with very little maintenance. You can even create beautiful braided or spiral arrangements that become stunning centerpieces for your home or office. Whether placed on a coffee table, work desk, bedroom shelf, or entryway, Lucky Bamboo adds elegance, freshness, and a peaceful atmosphere to any space. Its ability to thrive in water with minimal care makes it one of the easiest and most rewarding indoor plants for beginners and experienced plant lovers alike. Number 3. Heartleaf Philodendron. If you're looking for a beautiful trailing plant that grows effortlessly in water, Heartleaf Philodendron is an excellent choice. This popular houseplant is loved for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and graceful vines that create a lush tropical look indoors. Growing it in a glass of water is incredibly easy. Simply cut a healthy stem just below a leaf node, remove the lower leaves, and place the cutting into a clean glass filled with fresh water. The submerged node will begin producing roots within 2 to 4 weeks. Once established, the roots continue growing while the vines produce fresh leaves throughout the year. Place the glass in a location that receives bright, indirect sunlight, avoiding strong, direct sun that may damage the foliage. Refresh the water every week and clean the glass regularly to keep the roots healthy and prevent algae buildup. If you want faster growth, add a small amount of liquid fertilizer once a month, but avoid overfeeding because too much fertilizer can harm the roots. One of the best features of Heartleaf Philodendron is its versatility. The long vines look beautiful, cascading from floating shelves, bookcases, office desks, or hanging displays. You can also trim the vines regularly and root the cuttings in new glasses to create more plants at no cost. Its low-maintenance nature makes it perfect for beginners, while its elegant appearance makes it a favorite among experienced plant collectors. With proper care, this lovely plant will continue producing vibrant green foliage and become one of the most eye-catching decorations in your home. Number 4. Spider plant. Spider plant is another fantastic indoor plant that adapts extremely well to growing in water, especially when propagated from its baby plants known as spiderets. These small plantlets naturally grow from long stems attached to the parent plant, making propagation incredibly easy. Simply cut off a healthy spideret and place its base into a glass of clean water, making sure only the roots or root area are submerged. Within a few days to a couple of weeks, you'll notice strong white roots developing rapidly. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light and appreciate fresh water that is changed every 7 days. Cleaning the glass container during each water change helps prevent algae growth and keeps the roots healthy. As the roots become stronger, the plant begins producing new leaves, creating a full, graceful display of long green foliage with attractive white stripes. Spider plants are well known for being resilient and forgiving, making them perfect for people who are new to indoor gardening. They also adapt well to different indoor temperatures and humidity levels, requiring very little attention once established. Many people also appreciate spider plants because they help improve indoor air quality while adding a fresh, vibrant look to living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and offices. As your plant matures, it may eventually produce even more baby spiderets that can be rooted in additional glasses of water, allowing you to expand your indoor garden without spending extra money. This combination of beauty, simplicity, and easy propagation makes spider plant one of the best water-growing houseplants you can own. Number 5. Peace lily. Peace lily is famous for its elegant white flowers and glossy green leaves, making it one of the most beautiful indoor plants you can grow in water. While peace lilies are commonly grown in soil, they can also adapt remarkably well to life in a glass container if prepared correctly. Begin by carefully removing the plant from its pot and gently washing away every bit of soil from the roots. This step is very important because leftover soil can cloud the water and encourage harmful bacteria. Place the clean roots into a glass vase, making sure only the roots remain submerged while the crown of the plant stays above the waterline to prevent rot. Position your peace lily in bright, indirect light, where it will receive plenty of natural brightness without harsh, direct sunlight. Replace the water every week and rinse both the roots and the container thoroughly to maintain a healthy growing environment. You may also add a few drops of diluted liquid fertilizer once a month to supply nutrients that are normally found in soil. Although flowering may not occur as frequently as soil-grown plants, peace lily will continue producing lush green foliage and may still reward you with its stunning white blooms under ideal conditions. Besides its elegant appearance, peace lily is admired for creating a calm, relaxing atmosphere that complements almost any home decor style. Whether displayed on a dining table, office desk, bedroom shelf, or living room centerpiece, this graceful plant brings timeless beauty with surprisingly little maintenance. It's the perfect final addition to any indoor water garden. And there you have it, the top 5 indoor plants that can grow beautifully in nothing more than a glass of water. From the fast-growing golden pothos and the elegant lucky bamboo to the lush heartleaf philodendron, the resilient spider plant, and the graceful peace lily. Each of these plants proves that you don't need soil to enjoy a thriving indoor garden. With just a little clean water, bright indirect light, and regular care, you can create a stunning display that adds life, beauty, and freshness to any room in your home. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced plant lover, growing plants in water is a simple, affordable, and enjoyable way to bring nature indoors without the mess of traditional potting soil. We'd love to know which of these plants is your favorite, or if you're already growing one in water. Share your experience in the comments below because your tips might inspire other plant lovers in our community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest plant care tips, propagation guides, and home gardening ideas. We upload new videos regularly to help you grow healthier, greener, and more beautiful indoor plants with confidence. Thank you so much for watching, and we truly appreciate your support. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep filling your home with the beauty of nature. Happy planting, and we'll see you in the next video.